Hi, how are you? My class 10 English version students. Hope everyone is fine. Today our last lecture is about chapter 4 and our lesson is 4.3 and our topic's name is respiration. Okay? In the previous class we have discussed about the photosynthesis and today I also discuss about the respiration. Yes, respiration is also the main theme of energy. Energy is required to maintain the process of life of organisms for activities like locomotion, healing of injury, growth and reproduction. We have already known that the main source of the energy is the sun. Yeah, through photosynthesis we have already known that the sun, the green plant also process from the sun in their main stored energy is the carbohydrate. Yeah, the stored energy in the food cannot be directly used in the organism for the maintenance of their life. During respiration, this potential energy, yes, the main potential energy is from the photosynthesis. We have get glucose, C6H12O6. When the potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy, its also another name is respiration. What is the kinetic energy? When from the glucose is the formation of ATP. Yes, please everyone know the ATP. Then it's also the another name is respiration. Now the how many types of the respiration? There are two types of the respiration. The one types of the respiration in aerobic and the another names is anaerobic. Here is aerobic respiration. What is the meaning of aerob? When the presence of oxygen is happen, it's also called aerobic respiration, and anaerobic. When the absence of oxygen is also called anaerobic respiration. Now the main formula and the formation of the respiration. I also discuss you first time the potential energy. I also read this the potential energy C6H12O6 where the green plant get from the photosynthesis. We also the previous class about discuss this potential energy. With the potential energy, the presence of 6 oxygen. I wrote this 6 oxygen, then it is converted into the kinetic energy or the ATP. I write this 6 carbon dioxide, 6H2O plus energy where we read the 686 kilocalorie or mole etc. 38 ATP. Or 38 ATP. Please turn on the page 74. Here the how many types short description of aerobic respiration. There are 4 stages. One stage is glycolysis, 2 stage is acetyl-CoA formation, 3 is Krebs cycle, and last topic is Krebs electron transport system. I just draw this the cell organisms where it's happened. Please everyone draw this level, and I also discuss this how many stages there. First stage is glycolysis. It also happens cytoplasm. I just draw the cytoplasm, and next structure is acetyl-CoA where it's happen outer space of mitochondria. Have you any idea about mitochondria? Yes, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Here I draw this the mitochondria in the outer stage. It's also called acetyl-CoA. When the crystal, here I draw this crystal, it's happened Krebs cycle, and the another system is electron transport chain. It's happened also stroma. First, I just discuss about glycolysis. When oxidized through chemical reactions, one molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. We get from first stage is pyruvic acid. It also three molecules C3H4O3. Okay. First, we also get the first stage is the pyruvic acid, broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid, four molecules of ATP. Two ATP being used in this process and two molecules of NADH plus H plus are produced in this stage. In this stage, no oxygen is required. It is initial stage for both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. It takes place in the cytoplasm of a cell. First, we also discuss about glycolysis, which is happened aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Another stage is acetyl-CoA formation. This stage also takes place in the cytoplasm, and we also discuss this cytoplasm's first mitochondria's outer space. Okay. Each molecule of pyruvic acid produced in glycolysis is transformed into a molecule of 2-carbon acetyl-CoA, a molecule of carbon dioxide. Here I just draw a molecule of carbon dioxide is released from this structure, and molecule of NADH plus H plus. Third stage is Krebs cycle, where the main source of ATP is the NF. First, in Krebs cycle, 2-carbon acetyl-CoA are oxidized to produce two molecules of carbon dioxide. Here, 2 carbon dioxide is released from the acetyl-CoA to Krebs cycle. I just draw this 2 carbon dioxide, here that 4 carbon dioxide released from this structure. Yes. Next, Krebs cycle. Sir Hans Krebs, who discovered the cycle, in this cycle acetyl-CoA enters the mitochondria and participates in Krebs cycle. All the reactions of the cycle occur in the mitochondria. In this cycle, from every one molecule of acetyl-CoA, 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, 3 molecules of NADH plus H plus, 1 molecule of FADH2 and 1 molecule of GTP. Here the main meaning of guanosine triphosphate are produced. Next and last stage is our electron transport system. In this stage, NADH plus H plus basically reduced NAD and FADH2 reduced FAD. I also give you full abbreviation NADH2 and FADH2. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and FAD flavin adenine dinucleotide produced in the above 3 stages are oxidized. Consequently, ATP, water, electrons contains high energy and protons are produced. The energy is released when electrons containing high energy move through the electron transport system. Here our main reaction is glucose 6 oxygen, enough enzyme or energy, and last we also get 6 carbon dioxide, 6 H2O, and last 38 ATP. At first we also discussed this ATP is the converted into the kinetic energy. So this class I also give you only shortly brief about respiration. Hope everyone is get this easily. Thank you.